Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy Christmas banner that you can put together with practically things you might already have at home. So if you don't have them, you can actually get them from the dollar store or any place like that. So what I have here is string. You can use any type of string. You can use twine or anything you find at the store that's kind of sturdy. You need scissors, you need paper, which I'm using red and green for the holiday colors, and I'm also using a template of a triangle that I just cut out by hand. The measurements of this one, I believe, is like 6 inches by like 4.5 inches. It doesn't have to be perfect, no one will ever know. And then lastly, a hole puncher. And excuse my hole puncher, I use it so much that it's kind of falling apart. But anyway, so let's get started. Once you have your template cut out, you just lay it on your paper and then just cut the actual shape out. Again, these don't have to be perfect. To actually speed the process up, you can actually maybe put 2 or 3 pieces of paper together depending how strong your scissors are. So just to show you what it looks like. So there you go. So I already cut out a bunch of these, so I'll just show you what to do next once you have all of your triangles cut out. So here are my green triangles. Here are my red triangles. Oh, sorry about that. So next you take your hole punch and punch near the top on both sides. I'm doing 3 at a time because my hole punch will actually go through that amount of paper at one time. Okay, so once you have that done, you get your string, which mine is tangled up a little bit. All right, there you go. And then you just start stringing. I start from one end over here, go through the back, come through this side, and just slide it all the way to the end. And then I'll do the next color. I'll alternate. You can pretty much do whatever pattern you want to, but I'm going to choose to do alternating each color. Okay, so I'm going to keep stringing and I'll show you the end product. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more DIYs like this. Alright, thank you.